Hello, good morning everyone. I'm very glad to standing here at a very beautiful soccer field to introduce you three basic steps for play football. And first of all, as we all know, football as a most popular sport in the world, and it's so exciting when you're sitting from the TV and watching your favorite football player. And I'm learning football very early. When I was 6 years old, at that time I played football almost the whole day. And today I'm very glad to share you this my experience and these interesting skills. Okay, let's move to the first step. The first step is dribble. Dribble. What means dribble? Dribble means touch the ball, but you have to touch the ball more technical. So dribble means you can touch the ball and play the ball very well while you are running or moving. The first time you touch the ball, you're curious about which part you touch the ball. Okay, it's three parts to dribble the ball. Inside your foot, above your foot, and outside your foot. A great soccer players can dribble the ball with the different parts of his feet to confuse his opponent. But for the beginner, it's very necessary for us to dribble the ball with the inside of your foot, like this. Attention, if you dribble the ball too quickly, then you will maybe lose your ball. You need to make your ball under your control. The most important thing is you need to touch the ball not too powerful but not too slideful. You need to make the ball running properly. Okay, let's move to the next part. Next part is passing. Passing basically is much more easier than dribble, because dribble is very technical skills and every player can do a very good dribble, but everybody can't do a very beautiful passing or accurate passing. So passing is dependent the distance with you and your partner or your team colleague. If your team colleague is too far from you, you need to use more power and make sure the ball is accuracy. Passing is very important. If your passing is not accurate, that means your ball is very easily to be intercepted by your opponent, and then you will lose more chances to get the goal and win the game. So talking about the touching part, it's like the dribble. For the beginner, it's very necessary for using your your foot to touch the ball. And attention, if you want, you can't touch the ball with your toe, because if you use the toe to touch the ball, you can't control the curve, the ball outside. And if you have to use your toe to pass the ball, to make sure your heel down to the field and make your feet upward. So, okay, let's move on the last part of this skills. It's shooting. Shooting is much more important and difficult than passing and dribble. And maybe, as you know, the most expensive players in the transfer market is striker, which means players has the advanced shooting skills. It's more important than in the team. So when we're talking about shooting, we have to know what's the basic steps. So the first thing you need to pay attention is set aside your standing foot or outside your soccer, and then use your strong foot to kick the ball. You can choose what kind of power you want to use. Different powers decide different curve and different orbit the balls coming out from your feet, and which means the percentage you get a goal. The most important point is you have to kick the ball and touch the ball above your lace areas, because if you use areas outside the lace, it's very difficult to control the football's curve, and it will have more chances you lose the target. Try to practice this step by step, and make sure you can use it much more familiar and enough, and then one day you will find you can get rid of these procedures very well. Okay, thanks everyone to watching. I think it is basic the three basic skills for play football, and you know, football is a quite complex, complicated sports. Keep practicing every day as you can, and one day you will be a good players in the field. So thank you. That's all.